If you're sitting on a pile of PLR content and you're wondering how to actually turn that into something that helps you make money with affiliate offers, then this video is going to give you a clear direction. PLR on its own doesn't do anything. It just sits there on your hard drive unless you go out looking to attract traffic, build trust, and encourage people to buy through your link. A lot of people grab PLR, upload it somewhere, maybe tweak the title, maybe change the intro, and then wonder why nothing happens. And the reason nothing happens is because they haven't structured it around a real strategy. Today, I'm going to show you 3 practical ways you can use PLR content for affiliate marketing success. And each one plays a different role in your overall setup, so you're not relying on one tactic and hoping it works. Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. If that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Number 1, use PLR to create a video series that drives traffic to your affiliate link. One of the smartest ways to use PLR is to turn it into video content, because video builds visibility and familiarity, and it gives you something that can keep working long after you've created it. Instead of giving the PLR away as a download straight away, you fully edit it using AI and turn it into a script that sounds natural, clear, and practical. PLR is often written in a more formal style, and that doesn't always translate well when you're speaking directly to people on YouTube. You guide AI to remove anything that feels bloated, tighten explanations that drift, and expand sections that need more clarity. Then you refine the output so it sounds like you and not like a document being read word for word. Once the script is solid, you break the content into smaller, focused topics. One long video can feel heavy, but a short series gives you multiple entry points and more chances to show up in search results. For example, if the PLR is about creating and launching digital products, you could split that into individual videos, such as choosing a product idea, structuring your offer clearly, avoiding common launch mistakes, and validating your idea before building it. Each video becomes its own asset, and each one has a clear purpose. You can record it yourself if you're comfortable on camera, or you can use your clone voice and create a faceless style video using tools that convert scripts into visual content. Once you've done this a few times, the process becomes repeatable and much faster. At the end of each video, you guide people to the link in the description where your affiliate offer sits. You don't need hype, you just explain that if they want a full structured system that walks through everything step by step, they can check the link below. This approach builds traffic first. Some people don't want to opt in to anything straight away. They prefer to watch content, see how you explain things, and decide whether they trust your recommendation. Over time, this becomes a content library that keeps bringing in views. Each video becomes a pathway toward your affiliate link, which means you're building something that can generate clicks long term instead of relying on one short burst of activity. One piece of PLR can easily turn into 5 or 10 separate videos if you break it down properly, so you're multiplying your output without constantly starting from zero. That's a traffic strategy, and it works because it keeps feeding your link with attention over time. Number 2, use PLR to create a focus-free resource that quickly leads to the offer. Free resources still work, but they need to be structured carefully. If you put out something too broad, you'll attract people who download everything and act on nothing. The key here is focus. You choose one specific problem that connects directly to the affiliate product you're recommending. You take a section of PLR and fully edit it using AI so it becomes tight, clear, and practical. You guide AI to remove unnecessary filler, simplify complicated explanations, and reshape the material into something that delivers one quick result. For example, instead of offering a full ebook about digital product creation, you might create a short guide that helps someone validate their first product idea. Or you might create a checklist that walks them through structuring their first offer so customers understand exactly what they're getting. AI helps you refine the structure quickly. You can test different angles, adjust wording for clarity, and make sure the final resource feels complete rather than scattered. When someone opts in to receive that resource, the thank you page becomes the next step in the flow. On that page, you confirm that their guide is on its way to their inbox, and then you introduce the main affiliate product as the natural progression for someone who wants to go deeper. You explain what the main product covers and how it builds on the exact problem they're already interested in solving. You keep it simple and clear so they understand that the free guide handles the starting point and the paid product covers the full process. You don't overload the page with too many layers or distractions. You keep the message focused on helping them take the next step while their interest is still high. You're still building an email list, which gives you the ability to follow up later, but the purpose of this step is to guide engaged people toward the offer while they're already thinking about the topic. Because the resource is narrow and practical, it tends to attract people who are genuinely interested in solving that problem. That naturally filters out some of the pure freebie seekers who never take action. When this is combined with your video strategy, the flow becomes straightforward. Someone might watch your content, decide to grab the focus-free resource, and then see the affiliate offer presented clearly as the logical next step. Number 3, use PLR to build bonus offers that encourage people to buy through your link. This is where PLR becomes extremely useful for increasing conversions. In many affiliate markets, multiple people are promoting the same product, so giving someone a reason to choose your link can make a real difference. You take related PLR content that supports the main product and you fully edit it using AI, so it becomes clean, structured, and genuinely useful. You guide AI to improve clarity, reorganize sections, and reshape the material into practical tools that complement the core offer. For example, if the affiliate product is about launching digital products, you might create bonuses like an email follow-up template pack, a simple sales page structure guide, and a launch planning checklist that helps them implement what they're learning. You rebrand everything properly and format it so it looks professional. The goal is to make it feel cohesive and valuable rather than like a collection of random files. On your page, you clearly list these bonuses and explain that if they purchase the product through your link, they'll receive all of them at no extra cost. You present it in a friendly way that focuses on helping them get better results. You explain that it won't cost them anything additional. They simply receive the added resources because they chose your link. You make the process straightforward so they understand exactly how to claim what you're offering. After they purchase, on the 𝗕𝗰𝗲𝗂𝗧 download page, you include a button that allows them to collect their bonuses. When they click it, you can request the email address they used to purchase so you can deliver everything properly and keep track of buyers separately. This separates free subscribers from buyer subscribers. That distinction matters because buyers have already shown they're willing to invest in that niche. Over time, that buyer list becomes extremely valuable. When you promote another related affiliate product, you're speaking to people who have already proven they're serious. And because you use PLR as the foundation for your bonus offer, you didn't have to build everything from scratch. You reshaped existing material into structured assets that support the main product. When you combine these 3 methods, you're covering traffic, lead generation, and conversion improvement in a structured way. The video series builds visibility and keeps feeding your link with attention. The focus-free resource captures emails and guides interested people toward the next step. The bonus offers increase the likelihood that someone will purchase through your link and help you build a separate buyer list for future promotions. All of it starts with PLR that you've fully edited using AI and reshaped into useful assets rather than leaving it sitting unused on your computer. If you approach it this way, PLR becomes a practical tool for building multiple assets quickly. You're structuring it so one piece of content can serve different roles within your overall strategy.
If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing? Also, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Also, to let you know that right here is an image of a playlist of all the AI videos I've ever created. And right here, well, that's an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.